Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions, and in this demo I'm going to show you how you can add the pink cherry blossom overlays from the LSP Actions website to your images in Photoshop in a few simple steps. So I'm using this beautiful stock image here. So you can come on to the Actions, Apply a Floral, or you can go to File, Place Embedded. If you're new to using overlays, please watch tutorial number 1 where I show you how to unzip, extract and apply these. So let's choose one of the blossom overlays. How about we make these look a little bit bigger? How about we go for full scene here? Blossom scene 1 with petals. So I'm just going to resize this and position to suit the image about there. And with the actions, I'm going to click on the tone warmer just once or twice maybe, just to blend that a little better with the images. Now let's add some petals. So I'm going to click on the action, add again. Let's add some blossom petals here, some falling petals. And we can just add these around. I'm just going to lighten up and make them a little bit warmer. You can see it's just a click. And let's add some more petals here. Just coming down so we get the real beautiful blowing blossoms. So there we have before and after. We've literally just dragged them in. You can add more blossoms over the top if you wanted to. For example, this side branch here. So I'm just going to click and add that in. Shrink it down. Again, to suit this image a little better. I'm going to warm it up. And how about we blur this one? Oh, and hit stop. You need to make sure you click on the actual layer, not any additional editing you've done. Click on the actual layer and hit blur. And let's just bring some blurring in there. And we're done. So before and after. Added in some beautiful cherry blossoms to our scene. You can watch the other tutorials on the LSP Actions website under Tutorial, Video Tutorial Library, Overlays and the Floral and Botanic Overlay tutorials. There's so many different packs. This is a tutorial for the blossoms. And again, you can watch tutorial number 1 if you've got any doubt about how to kind of get started with these. I show you everything step by step there. So enjoy your editing. Please come and tag me in the LSP Actions group. I'd love to see what you're working on. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.